This 58-kilometer cycling adventure takes place near the town of Zabljak, where I rent a bike and get some suggestions.
Well, I guess the road turns to dirt at some point. Okay, we reached the crossroad, so I gotta figure out what to do next. We took a left, and now we're on a grass trail. Out of one valley and into the next. It is really hot out here. But I want to find somewhere where there's some water before I sit and relax. Well, I reached the road. And over there, under the tree, are the people.
Ja tebe dam konja, ti mene biciklo.
Now I'm at the main road and I have to decide where to go. Another road change. I've been just going up, up, up. Back in the meadowlands. Whew. I'm thirsty. Water break. I could sure use it. Well, it's definitely a well. Lunch break. Got a long way to go. Yes, this is me walking the bike up the hill after lunch. I am officially thirsty. I hope that's the pass. I'm leaving the valley. Here at this stage I'm going east. And there's the next pass. I would sure like some of that snow in the background. This is the pass, but what totally sucks is it's downhill again. I'm seriously lost and out of water. I'm off the trail, but this farmhouse did have a bottle of water outside. I guess I'm not the first one that needed water here. Oh, I gotta get way the fuck over there. That's a problem. If it's 5 o'clock now, I hope to make the main road by 6. I'm whooped. Getting cramps. Let's get going. And that's a bull. I think I'm 6 to 8 kilometers from the town. We are less than 4 clicks from the outskirts of town.
Made it back.